Hi guys, as you know, this video's got 90 million views. First of all, I want to say thank you guys, I love you. Reading the comments, I see that the most common comment is, which app are you using? Procreate is the app I use it to do it, and in this video I want to show you some basic skills to make your own art with Procreate. Let's go! Okay guys, first of all let's open the app, Procreate. Okay, now we have just opened a new project here. I usually use screen size high quality, and these are the settings. And I work without background, it's easier for me. Okay, the brush that I usually use for my videos is the Simondee brush. It's a brush that I create by myself, and really soon I'm gonna make a video where I explain how to make this brush by yourself in your app. Okay, let's start. For this tutorial I decided to draw the letter E. I will start making just a capital letter that I follow as guideline during my video. I create a new layer, and this one I make opacity 30%. In the second layer I will draw the structure of the letter. Okay, we can delete this one and use this structure as guideline for the next step. So I create a new layer and I'm gonna draw the outline. Okay, we can delete the first layer, and now we have just to clean this outline. I use the same brush I used for the outline, and I'm gonna use the erase tool. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and using this tool I'm gonna move the outline to make a back shadow. Okay, to don't get confused, I'm gonna make opacity at 50%. Using this tool I'm just gonna clean the back shadow. And now I came back with the opacity 100%. That's the result. I can merge this layer with the previous one, like this. If I want, I can make drips or jokes inside the letter. Okay, now we have to duplicate this layer, and we are gonna fill this one with colors. I'm gonna use this color now, so let's start with this. And I will make the back shadow with a similar color but darker, this one. And for drips, I will use a lighter blue. With the selection tool in the automatic mode, I'm gonna select the letter, and using the airbrushing, the soft one, I'm gonna shade the letter using a lighter purple, like this one. I'm gonna replicate the process using the same blue I use it for drips. Okay, then we can adjust the colors using the adjustments tool. Use saturation and brightness, and we can increase saturation, for example. Okay, now we create another layer between these 2 and we select the multiply mode from the tool. To open this tool, we have just to, I repeat, click this letter and choose from this menu. I will select the multiply and giving 50% around opacity at the layer. Then I select a color from the letter, a darker color. So in this case I'm gonna select this blue. I will use again the Simondee brush. And let's go with shadows. Now we create another layer that we will use to make lights. So just select a white color and the opacity at 80%. Simondee brush as always, and let's go with lights. Now I will make some jokes in the back shadow with the black color. As last step, we can create another back shadow duplicating this layer. With this tool, we get brightness at 0, and you see that the shape is black now, and we get opacity, and let's do 30%. With this tool, we move the shape like this. We can get opacity at 20, maybe it's better. And it's done. You can just finish the work with other elements, your tag, what you prefer. Okay guys, done it. I really hope you found it interesting and useful. Let me know if you want to know something different or something new. I'm gonna read all your comments, so do it. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye!